Hi everyone, Taylor here from the Protocase team. Today I'm going to show you how to use the graphics library in Protocase Designer. The graphics library allows you to place common symbols and graphics such as USB, electrical ground, and caution. Let's get started. I've got my panel already created in Protocase Designer. If you haven't already, you should make sure you've selected the graphics type that works best for your requirements. You can do this by going to the editor settings and select direct printing or silkscreen as your graphics type. Okay, let's place some graphics from the graphics library. Click Edit Face, then choose the face where you want to place the graphics. You can access the library either via the left-hand menu under Tools or in the top navigation menu under Library. Click Library, then choose Open Library. The Protocase Designer Library Manager will open up. There are separate tabs for different selections of the library, including cutouts, graphics, hardware, fasteners, and personal. Click on Graphics. The graphics library is organized by category: electronic symbols, flags, marks, warning and caution symbols, and other. Click on the category to expand the list and see all of the graphic symbols available. Once you've found the graphic symbol you want to place on your design, click the symbol name and then click Place this item. You can also opt to click Create New Personal Copy if you'd like that particular graphic symbol to be a part of your personal library. So once you click Place this item, Protocase Designer will allow you to place the symbol wherever you'd like on the face. This graphic symbol is the same as any other object, so you can customize its origin and rotation. You can resize the symbol by dragging any one of the resize points to make the symbol be the right dimensions for what you need. You can also change the color of your symbol as long as the symbol you've placed is only one color in nature. There are a few symbols in the library, such as electrostatic sensitivity, laser, pacemaker, and two-person lift symbols that contain more than one color. For these symbols, you cannot change the color. Flag graphics would also fall under this category too. Their colors cannot be changed. Click the green check mark to save your changes. Now that you're back in the 3D viewer, you can see all the graphics that you've placed from the graphics library. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, we're here to help. Email us at info@protocasedesigner.com. Thank you for watching. Happy designing!